It's never too late for everyone. Young or old or older, never too late. I'm Vladimir Hinugin po. White belt, Masters 2, light feather.
Gi or no gi?
Gi, old school. Old man's jiu-jitsu. Mas maraming options. Mas nakaka-trap ako ng maayos. Mas napapa-slow down ko yung kalaban. May maraming lapel na mangyayari.
Ano favorite mong competition move?
Mga ashi.
Ashi.
Uchimata.
Uchimata.
Para safe yung landing.
Ano nagpa-motivate sa'yo to start competing?
Before getting more older, so habang kaya-kaya pa ng katawan ko, inexperience ko na.
Inexperience.
Win or lose, it's all about journey, experience, journey sa paano mag-prep. Mas mahirap siya.
What do you think helped you the most during this competition?
Malaki actually. More dedicated sa training, mas discipline, lalo na sa kain, pahinga. Tatrabaho tayo, working class
Yeah.
tayo. Tulog ka ng maga, gising ka ng maga trabaho, tapos train sa hapon hanggang gabi. Time management,
Ano naman ang biggest advice mo to people that want to start competing?
never too late. It's never too late for everyone. Young or old or older, never too late. It's never too late for everybody. Shout out sa Bataan Jiu-Jitsu, Fabricio, sa coach namin, Coach Stephen, Coach Yob, sa team. Laking bagay sila sa competition para mahanda kaming lahat na mag-compete. Sa wife ko, andito, si Tetay, kay God, Mostay,